Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to split page in half. So if you want to split page in half, you can go to layout and we can use the column tools. You can click and it will be show for the 5 option. To split into 2, you can click here. So it will be split in vertical. If you want to split in horizontal, you can go to margin, click at this point to go into page setup option, and then click on margin. You can set page, multiple page. You can set into 2 page per sheet. So if you click OK, the document will be automatically split into 2. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to split page in half. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.